Hello everyone, welcome to JK Speech and Hearing Center. So today we will discuss about who is audiologist. So audiologist is a healthcare professional who assesses, identifies and treat the problems of hearing loss and also speech language pathology and also vestibular systems. So audiologist usually it's a course of 4 years in India, and also masters in audiology will be a 2 years course. So usually the total course ranges from 4 years to 6 years minimum, and also audiologists are well trained in the areas of hearing, hearing testing, hearing aid fitting, hearing aid repair, ear molds, and also all hearing care services and electronics related to hearing aids, and also statistic hearing aid related to hearing loss. So audiologists always they will be focusing more on what type of problem patient is having and what kind of nature of the problem, and also what is the degree of problem patient is having. When they assess them clearly, when they come to know about some point, according to that they will be giving the possible hearing aid solutions. So in hearing aid also they have to program accordingly, because everybody, it's an electronic system, programming can be done by anybody, but if a audiologist programs it, where the hearing aid will be suiting according to the need and according to the problem. So if general programming is very different, because in phones also hearing aids connect these days, so they can just change for 10%. So main programming is done by professional audiologist only. So audiologist is a profession of 4 years, bachelor's in audiology course is there, and also master's in audiology for 2 years. So usually a person who is practicing audiologist will be a licensed practitioner with the association like ISHA, TASALPA, UCA and all. Thank you.